Revolution's just a trick in your mind, kick. Revolution is know-how, how to kill a sacred cow. Devil, sign, Arthur die, blind, don't become resigned. Revolution in your mind, revolution in your mind, in your mind, revolution in your mind, in your mind, revolution in your mind, in your mind. Starting a revolution.
Yeah, that's true. Are you interested?
Yeah, sure, but when is the D-Day?
We have 2nd of September in our mind.
Oh, sorry, I don't have time then.
Well, some other time then.
Revolution's just a trick in your mind, kick. Revolution is know-how, how to kill a sacred